You know, it's that time of the track and field season when we're seeing a pecking order established. In the distance races, a pair of Harlem athletes have the spotlight. Our Isaiah Dunk has the story.
Their goals are simple: to be among the top distance finishers at the state track meet. And while Harlem runners Lawrence and Brad Cichosz are some of the best in Class B, their stories in getting there are different. Lawrence is used to being among the best. The junior MSU Northern basketball commit has finished first in every race this season.
Distance is kind of relaxing to run. I enjoy it. I mostly just my mind is off somewhere else, but then I hear people cheering for me and then I just got to stay focused and keep going.
Lawrence's 3200 time is the best in Class B, and she has the second best time in the 1600. On the boys' side, fellow junior Brad Cichosz hasn't quite qualified for state in either event, but it's just his first year competing in track.
I've always ran, growing up, and thought I might put it to use for once finally. So I decided to join track. Before this I was golfing, and last year I didn't do any spring sport. It's been very great. We're just continuing to get better as the season goes on. Our times are decreasing, but if they're decreasing, then that's a good thing. So hopefully by state they'll be down where they need to be.
Cichosz knows that with his improvement and Lawrence leading the way, they're due to make the Harlem community proud.
She's great, and it just shows what we could do as a community and the kind of talent we have back home. It's very nice.
Isaiah Dunk, MTN Sports.